Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a quick look at the unboxing experience of the iPad Air 6th generation. Let's dive into what's inside the box and what you get when you first crack it open.
Artlist.io.
Now, the cable is pretty standard, USB-C to USB-C, which is great because it supports fast charging. And speaking of fast charging, the included 20-watt adapter gives you solid charge speed. It can charge your iPad Air up to 50% in about 30 minutes, which is pretty impressive for a tablet. Now on the front of the iPad, there is a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera designed with center stage technology ensuring for more comfortable FaceTime calls. It dynamically adjusts during video calls to keep you perfectly framed no matter how much you move. On the back, you got a 12 megapixel wide camera. It's perfect for capturing sharp, vibrant photos, even in low light settings. The iPad Air 6th Gen features a stunning 10.9-inch liquid retina display that brings your content to life. With a resolution of 2360 by 1640, it delivers sharp detail and vibrant colors, perfect for streaming, gaming, and creative projects. The fully laminated display supports True Tone technology and P3 wide color, ensuring every single image looks natural and accurate no matter the lighting conditions. And with a reflective coating, you can comfortably use it indoors or out, even under bright sunlight.
Artlist.io.